Everybody up. Yeah, give them an update.
Play my part. Yo, I do us badness man attack. Long before some.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Who knows one of the hardest things to get in Jamaica right now is an American visa. I'm here to talk about for the regular citizens, not to mention the dancehall artists. Them most of them want to see a runny ground, a runny Caribbean. Them just cannot go America. Not because them no want go, but simply because them do not have a visa. Right now, we see where the American embassy and make it even way harder for the artists them get a visa. Me soon tell no why. We see Masicka give them an update, literally, and him a make the people them know say yo, new music a forward, new album a forward. But him also said something in the caption will make me feel like say Masicka a try to shade somebody. We see Squash drop a song. In the song, him basically tell the tales of what him did to time when him in a jail. And we see a little thing forward out what here with Vybz Kartel and him appeal. Me there so I talk about it. But the DPP has clarified it and make the people them know exactly what are going on the case. Before we go further in the details, though, because we have all of that to talk about and much more, me ask you to do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. You reach this far, so me ask you please give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. Alright, so first thing first, the most recent video me did speak of the situation with Vybz Kartel and his appeal being denied by the Privy Council. Now, a nationwide news did break that info, and when them drop it, then basically I say, yo, that's it, you understand? The appeal, it get thrown out and whatever the case may be. Shortly after that, we see where Gleaner, Observer, and even the DPP found out and I make the people them know, say, yo, the murder trial, it's still there in front of the Privy Council. Them still assess this, them no make them final decision as yet. But what them make a decision pan is to not accept the new evidence. Because I don't know, Vybz Kartel lawyer, them submit some new evidence for the Privy Council consider and look into it just to build a stronger case for Vybz Kartel get released. You understand? But the Privy Council decides say no. You see, whatever they use for sentence you, and that we are going to use. You see that new phone evidence, that new this and that new data, we're not even going to look on that. We are going to fling that through the door, fling that through the window, and at that the Privy Council do. But Vybz Kartel and Sean Stam, them still have the case in front, the official case in front of the Privy Council, waiting on the Privy Council to make a ruling about that. That now is something when we know say the Gaza nation supposed to glad for hear. Anyway, we are move on. So as I said earlier, and everybody's supposed to know by now too, getting a US visa is one of the hardest things in a Jamaica. And that will basically everybody in a Jamaica want. And me not talk the regular citizens only, me talk about even the artists them. Enough of them we see run the ground, them cannot get the chance to make the real big bucks because them cannot go to America. And at that the market there, the real money in a music, they you understand. So enough of them grounded, them only can touch the Caribbean. Look if them go UK one time and Canada, but US them all tight. But we see which part the US embassy, them actually make it harder for the musician them go in America if you go make some money, especially if you are a new, young and upcoming artist and you don't really have certain firepower behind you. You don't really have certain people around where you know say alright, them people here are gonna spend the money. Yeah man, we see which part them raise up the visa fee and them raise it up massive. Regular visa where artists usually, you know the regular work permit, maybe them go do one or one, two show and them say alright, they must spend a week, maybe 2 weeks max. That visa usually costs 70,000 Jamaican dollar. Now, if an artist want to go in America, even for a day, for a little temporary visa, they have to go move from 70,000 straight up to 248,000, almost 249,000. And I know say whole heap of people are going to say, sure, them a make money at the least that for them do, at the least that for them pay for and whatever the case may be. But a lot of you don't even understand the life of an artist, especially when there is a new, young and upcoming artist. Everybody around you just want to rip it off. You understand? And a promoter I go look and say, yo, me I go pay almost $2,000 for you get a visa. And then me have to go pay hotel for you. Me have to go pay you to come perform. Me have to go do this for you. Me have to go do that for you. A promoter go look and say, no, you understand what me I say? No, your management team, if they don't believe in you to all that and them don't have your best interest at heart, them also go look for you and say, no man, it no worth for me take up $1,600 and pay for visa for you. After you no name Vybz Kartel, you no name Movado. That just all me see. But tell me down below your thoughts on this. You understand? Don't feel like I said this, I go hold down more Jamaican artists, or if you no feel like say, sure, a simple thing, them go pay it and move on same way. So we see Masicka make the post here, you understand, and it is a screenshot if you want to call it, or it is a picture from when him did do the video shoot for his song where man Joshy do titled Pieces, you understand what me I say. And the caption say, new music, and him drop a question mark. So you don't know, so you ask the fans them, what do you think? What do you want? New music? You understand? You know some people will comment and say, brother, you're a musician, so what kind of question that? But him also continue by saying, being a lead and still a lead. And you don't know, you see him with the crux and him have hashtag one side, you understand, barn leader and hashtag new album. Now the two key things when we pick out of this is the part where him say, being a lead and still a lead. We don't know. Enough people now go like that because everybody in a dancehall daily them say yo a them a lead. You understand what me I say? So if you see Masicka forward out and say yo him been a lead and him still a lead, yo and a normal chat that. And we all can agree. Masicka him been leading and him still a lead. There is no way around that. But we also see when him say new album, and that is something where the fans them love. You understand? Remember, you know, Masicka market this album 438 for years, you know, until him finally come drop it. So if you see him start now, say yo, new album, who knows? Maybe by 2030 we get it, or maybe by the year if we done, we get it, you understand? But either way, it is a good look. But tell me one thing down below. No feel like say an album more forward the year or Masicka just attack. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please tell me your thoughts down below in the comment section. Also, if you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe and you reach it to the end of the video. So give it a like. Bless up.
641 and 69. When killer drop a jail, we a kill time. What you mean, Fredman and J-Man, them not fi shine. And 6 bars there, every killer live a life. Me a back.
I feel divine. I mean, I was thinking divine. And I feel divine. Don't let this recommendation. Well up. Right, I mean, no disrespect, but you can't disrespect the young artists like that in the eyes of the public. You have a set example. So me I say, because I make a one tune and I'm DJ for the people, and now overdo it, don't even get me on the chorus. But anyway, that's no...
Based on the fact that Vybz Kartel was and still is an ardent Buju Banton fan. At one point, my name was Adi Banton before I even was in the music. Any one of my friends can attest to that. Vybz Kartel's name was Adi Banton.
How much you admired?
Yeah, man. Trust me.